How to download Shopify app on laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can download a Shopify app on laptop. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Shopify is basically an e-commerce platform, right? And there is the Android app available, there is the iOS app available, but is there a Windows app? Well, unfortunately, there is not a Windows app available. You have to use the web version. But let's say you just hate opening up your browser every time and using Shopify.com manually. You can actually create a shortcut for this. So first of all, go to Shopify.com and copy the URL. Then just come to your desktop home screen, right click on an empty space, new, and then select shortcut. Under new shortcut, just paste the URL that we copied, which is type the location of the item. So we'll click on next. It will say to give a name for this product, so I'll also simply go ahead and then give this a name called Shopify. Then I'll just click on the finish option. Now as and when I do that, a new shortcut is going to get added over here, which is called Shopify directly. So next time I don't have to open my browser and go manually, I can simply click on this link. It will directly open up Shopify with that shortcut. And this way you should be able to download. Well, unfortunately, as I said, you can't download, but you can create a shortcut that you can use. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.